Hi friends, I am Jayan, faculty electronics. Have you seen like this inverter? Never. This is my project. This inverter is working only on 3.C7 lithium battery only. You see how it works. Okay, this is the you see the inverter. This inverter is I am used to make 1351 transistors too. Okay, this is the circuit. Especially I made for the LED bulb, and it is and low voltage DC. You may never seen like this inverter. Especially I made this. Okay, thank you very much. You can make this circuit. Okay, bye.